about me, I love liquid blush. Like, I love how it makes me feel, how it makes me look. I've been seeing all over social media the trend where people are using liquid blush as a lipstick, as an eyeshadow. We're gonna try that out today. So the liquid blush that I'm gonna use is Selena Gomez Rare Beauty. This is in shade Faith. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was really nervous about trying out this product because I haven't always had the best luck with celebrity makeup brands, but this has worked so good on my cheeks. I'm excited to try it out. Now that I have my lip liner on, let's see what it looks like on the lips. I like it. It's bold. It's pretty. Even though it is a purple blush, it's giving off like a dark purple, but kind of like a pink undertone. I don't know. I like it. Now let's add the cheeks. I like to use my finger because I feel like using my finger with liquid blush so much. It spreads better. It was 2 drops. So I haven't used this product in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and get it blended out. Wow. After getting it blended out and I'm not done, it looks gorgeous. So I actually was gonna do something different to my eyes today, but I'm gonna go ahead and test it out on my eyes too. I'm about halfway done. I feel like it looks beautiful as of now. I feel like a Bratz doll. Like, it's just so cute. You know, I really love it.